What's so funny?
Okay, I was just thinking about what if what if someone was videotaping me right now? How embarrassing would that? How embarrassing would that? Where the fuck is this song? How embarrassing would that be? Oh, there's
Do your retarded pig noise again.
what?
That's funny.
I just said a funny noise. I love that cheek.
Did you say on my butt cheek?
I said I just made a funny noise. Dot dot dot. I love that cheek. Dot,
Yummy.
dot, dot.
In my tummy. Be all retarded again.
What?
Be all retarded again.
Why?
You're funny.
You're ugly.
Whoa, that's not nice.
Oh, no, there's me. Yuck.
Please?
There, I made it.
That wasn't funny. Enough.
You know my blackface? That is gonna sound so racist.
Guess what?
Should I say it?
What? Do it.
Okay. 1 second, you know I'm not racist, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I said, ew, my black butt is touching my white baby.
Oh my god. That was hilarious.
That was racist. You're ugly.
You're ugly too.
You're fucking ugly.
You're fugly too. I love you. Say something. Be all retarded again. Was that your mouth? Or your butt?
Look at my mouth.
That was weird. Sounded like a raindrop.
What?
Sounded like a raindrop. And now it sounded like a retarded pig. Wink, wink.
Vicky, I think I need to go to the hospital.
You do need to go to the hospital. Mm. 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 Did you hang up on me?
Hang up on me?
No, I didn't hang up on you.
Can I hang up on you?
No.
Can you? I?
Penis. Penis.
Goodbye.
Oh. I got a Scooby-Doo sticker on my hand. See? Right there. Right there. I am. Ow. Okay, say goodbye, YouTube, to Tilissa's being a retard.
I'm on YouTube.
Yup. Okay, bye. How's the arm off button? Oh, it's